So how do you do sticky top and sticky columns in Elementor version 4 Atomic components? I'm going to show you how. Let me quickly build a scenario and then you'll understand exactly what the problem is. So we have our parent and two child flex box containers inside. So I've dumped in a load of text. Now in the second child container, this is where I'm going to add in some content that I want to remain fixed on the page even when you're reading this huge amount of text. So the idea behind a sticky column is that as I scroll up and down the page, and obviously you can read the text, that image will remain in place. And it's not until I've now moved on to a next container that sits below will everything now move up. Now, before this was really simple in Elementor version 3, but in Elementor version 4, you might feel like the setting is not there. Because when you go to the Style tab, you can set the position to be sticky, but we don't have stay in column. It's really easy to do. Here's what you need to do. Go to the container which you want to be sticky. So this is my second child container. First thing I'm going to do is go to the layout, and I will then ensure that align self is set to start. Don't start messing around with justify content or align items. It's align self. So I'm going to say do it to the start. The second thing you need to do, go to position, set the position of this to be sticky. Again, you don't have sticky column, but set it to be sticky. And here's the third really important thing. Where you have top, hit 0. If you don't hit 0, it won't work. You got to have your align self, sticky, and top margin or position to be 0. Now let's have a look at it in action. And please bear in mind, I have got a black bar at top, so you might see it go slightly under, but that's a little bit deceiving. So as I scroll down and I'm reading, my image stays in place. Okay, it is stuck there until I get to the bottom of my container and I move on to a different container, then everything will move up. So that's how you do your sticky columns or even your sticky tops inside of Elementor version 4. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, sign up for our YouTube channel. I'll be busting out some more Elementor version 4 stuff very, very soon. Take care. Bye.